Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look how you can turn your calculator to scientific mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen, and in here open up calculator. In the calculator, if you want to use scientific mode, what you need to do is tap on this button here. If you touch and hold, you can see it says scientific mode, and tap on that. And in scientific mode, you need to use your phone horizontal. It will not be able to work with vertical. As you can see, as soon as I move back to vertical or portrait mode, it will go back to a standard calculator. So you need to go into a landscape mode to use scientific calculator. And once you are in here, basically you can use all the scientific functions such as log, square to square a number, or you can use square root, or you can square to a power of something, x to the power of y. So let's say you want to have 9 to the power of 3, and that gives you 729. And then there's other functions that you could use, and that's it. And to go back to your standard mode, all you have to do is just rotate back. Now if your phone is not set to auto rotate, then you can just simply use this button right here to switch between scientific and a standard calculator. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.